Kamusta? I missed you so much. You know what? Kabalo ka na. There's no time, seconds, minutes, days, weeks that I don't think about you. Like for example now, I feel so sad. You wasn't here, that you are not here, that I'm not there for you to give you comfort. Nawala si mama at anak. Miss you so much. But I know time will come. We will be together again. Believe me. We will do all these things for you. Try to do everything for you. Just take care of yourself, ya anak ha. Pag-amping na ya anak. Malis na siya. Mamatay siguro kasi ako. Pag-amping na anak. Just feel so sad lang tonight, anak. I don't know, just feel so sad tonight thinking of you. And I just want you to realize that we all think about you. We all care about you. Even your uncles here, your grandmas, your aunties talking about you. We talk what we need to do. And we will do these things for you so you can come here. Just don't worry about that, anak. All I can say is just be careful and study hard. Make your mama proud. Proud kay kunin mo na, kay bright kay ka. Dili jud na si mama na. Binutan jud ka na ka. Sad lang pod ko na kay nga hapit na ang Christmas. Wala ka